Guys, you want to make one of the most awesome burgers in your life with this secret ingredient? Well, you need to stay till the end and I'll show you exactly what I did. Let's go. All right, guys, let's get cracking on this totally awesome, bodacious burger that I'm about to bring to y'all. We got about 1.3 pounds of 80-20 ground chuck, and we're just gonna break this up just a little bit, a little loosey-goosey, because we got some stuff to add to this, all right? One of those items is a little bit of our heifer dust. This is my own stuff. Be a link below if you'd like to get you some of this. All right, we're not gonna put too much in it because we got our secret ingredient, and that is right here. We're gonna dump that in there. All right, you gotta stay around to the end and I'll show you exactly what I'm using, okay? To this also, want to put a little bit of water. Not a whole lot of water, you don't want this swimming around, but you kind of want to constitute this ingredient, okay? So I'm just gonna loosely come in here with my hands, loosely get at this burger. And I just kind of, I take my little fingers, just kind of go like this right here to this, okay? All right, once you got your mixture here, we're gonna come over here with a little bit of wax paper and a ring mold. This isn't a smash burger, this is just gonna be a regular old big boy burger, okay? We're just gonna put this in our mold and we're gonna take and just lightly tap around these edges just so it forms nicely, makes a nice burger. After we got our burger patties, got them all patted out, nice and thick, we're gonna get these onto a pre-warmed griddle. We've had this pre-warming on about a medium heat for quite a while. You can see the smoke kind of coming off of it. And we're gonna get these dudes down. It's gonna get a nice crust on it. I got a little one here, that's for Jacob, okay? Two for me, one for Maggie, a little one for Jacob. All right, John. Everybody say hey to John. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna flip these burgers over. Oh man, look at that crust. Beautiful. There's Jacob's again. We'll let it go 3 to 4 minutes on this side too. We're gonna have a big old burger soon. While the burgers are finishing up, we're gonna toast our buns. We got some of that beef fat right over here. Just lay those buns right into it. These are nice onion rolls that I got. I thought, hey, I don't give enough love to the old onion roll. So here we are. You all right, Maggie girl? Well, she's hacking up over here. Give this a nice toast. Our burgers are almost done. About a medium right now. Let's flip these over for one more time. And then we're also gonna put a little cheese on them. Okay, let's talk about cheese, y'all. I'm gonna do a little Havarti. And I'll tell you what, you're not in a party unless you're doing some Havarti, all right? Put some of that Havarti down. Put it one on, Jacob only gets half a Havarti, okay? And then we're gonna come in with some cheddar cheese. Turning a new leaf, y'all. Turning a new leaf. No American cheese today. And Jacob gets half. I'm not even toasting Jacob's bun. That's just the way I roll. He come in here, he got some lip today. You know, I'm like, what's up? You know, let's see what our buns. We don't want to get up. Ooh, boy, look at that. That's gonna be good. Onion rolls, I really like to toast the other side. I feel like it just really cooks that onions on the top and the bottom. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Our onion rolls, nice and toasted on this side. Lay them over here on our cutting board. We got something else for them. We got something else. Y'all cook on just a little while longer, okay? Little state law staple here, mayonnaise. Our burgers are ready, mayonnaise is ready. Let's take these over to our board. And I'll tell you what, while I'm putting the rest of these on here, hey, y'all enjoy these bloopers. I'll be right back. Make sure you don't lose this. I won't hear the end of it. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna go to this next crucial step. That's stupid.
Well, the whole time you were explaining what you were doing, I wondered if you should explain that while you're not cutting it. And then it gives me time to like,
oh yeah,
then you can stop and I can wonder why I'm gonna do
yeah.
Instead of, you know?
Yep.
If I could add that after you have the chicken down, and use me while you're laying chicken down, like if I would make it smooth.
I don't know. We can make it that way.
Yeah.
See? That's my home screen of my
My gosh.
94 missed calls, 356 unread text messages,
crazy.
19,000 emails, 689 notifications there. That don't even
That
really.
would drive me crazy. At that point, I could get a separate phone just for my work stuff.
I get. Test, 1, 2.
Just recording. Does that sound good? You zoom out anymore, you get that in it.
Yeah, that's fine. I feel like a fish out of water. I guess that's a good thing. Try different things. Actually, I'm gonna toast your bun, Jacob, right there. That's for your little one. That's for your little one right there. You know all about that, don't you? Just gave it away. Oh, and I just trashed that. Dang it.
Can you focus on it?
Focus on it, yeah.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm planning on doing is taking this, cutting it out, and it'd be like in your face.
Yeah. Okay.
And that way. All right, to finish these suckers off, we're gonna do a little bit of tomato, 2 slices of tomato, a little bit of pepper, and of course, a little bit of salt. State law, gotta salt and pepper them tomatoes, and a little bit of pickle. Oh boy, y'all, there we go. Woo! If you haven't heard already, we're using Lipton onion. This is beefy onion mix in our burgers, along with that onion roll. Gosh, this is gonna be good, I think. Let's give this a cut. Oh man, I cannot wait. Ooh, look at that. See that juice? My word. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Y'all, this is special right here. Dang. Jacob, I'm taking your little one too, just so you know. My goodness. Yeah, that burger is flavorful. That soup mix with the onion and its beefiness, along with the heifer dust, it is also beefy. This sucker's beefy, like me, all right? Try this burger, game changer. Here, Jacob, here's yours.
Thanks.
Your little one. Little.
I could do better, but
Ooh. That's good. It's juicy. You can try that one. I forgot the onion.
yeah.
Gosh, daggone it. It's right here. It's right there. Did I forget it? Yeah, I sure did. Why do I do that?